Oof. Hello guys from Las Vegas. And Kimmy, where are we going right now?
The Bellagio.
The Bellagio Hotel. We just booked a, what is it, Penthouse Suite. Because I'm impulsive and I like to spend money. So let's see if it pans out. It's supposed to be a really nice room. And yeah, show you guys a room tour and see how it is. Let's head out. We are just checking out of our current hotel, the Cosmopolitan, for a way better one. But let me show you guys what it's like in a Vegas hotel if you've never seen before.
Reeks of cigarettes.
Reeks of cigarettes, yes. If you're not a smoker, you're gonna have a rough time here. Let's go see what the Bellagio has. Super excited for that. You excited, baby?
Very, very. $1,000 for the room.
Yeah.
Very fancy.
Your man likes to splurge, guys. I want to show you guys something. Only in Vegas will you find a restaurant, a barbershop, and a casino. All within like 2 feet of each other. Only in Vegas.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Except for monkeypox. Thank you. This is the Vegas Strip, but in the daytime, so not as crazy. The lights get really, really beautiful at night. Still very busy during the day, but how's this car waiting for us? So let's go. Most of the hotels here have like themed around like a certain city most of the time. And that is the Eiffel Tower here.
Oh, that Paris hotel is gorgeous.
The Paris hotel is really, really nice, yeah.
And the lobby area is really nice. It has like cute little cafes. You feel like you're outside.
Oh yeah. Maybe I'll show you guys later, but probably not. This is a Bellagio room tour. Trying to get a little bit of an upgrade, and I heard apparently, what do we do? If you leave like a little bit of money there, we might get lucky perhaps, so let's hope so.
I'm excited.
See what happens. Thank you. Of course, thank you so much. We got a little upgrade, better view. Apparently here in Vegas, if you like tip them a little bit at the front desk, like 20 to 50 bucks, they might just give you a slight upgrade if it's within their power, so yeah. Let's go check out our room. We get the VIP area elevator thingies, because we fancy. All right. VIP elevators, 31. Let's see what $1,000 a night gets you here in Vegas. Admittedly, it's not like that much. We're not like high rollers or anything, but should get us something nice, especially at the Bellagio. Wow, my ears. Do you feel that? Damn, that was fast. Look, it went from 0 to 31 in like fucking 30 seconds. No, 30 seconds, like 10 seconds. All right, first impressions. Wow, my ears are kind of going up fast.
I'll take my bag.
All right, let's check it out.
Oh, wow.
Well, it's big.
Wow.
Oh, damn, okay. It's very big.
Very
what is
nice.
this, like
Very fancy.
1,500 square feet? Let me put my backpack down so we can go at least open the view. Ah, okay. I like pull it. Oh, wow. We're high up. Oh, wow, look at that. The pools look really nice. Okay. I guess we weren't fancy or rich enough to get the fountain view or, you know, the strip view, unfortunately, but you know what? Still nice. That's a nice view though, right?
Oh, that fucking sucks.
It does suck.
Beautiful view, oh my god.
Oh, let me see the rest of the room really quick. Alright.
The bedroom's really nice.
Bedroom is not bad. Why don't you go jump on the bed? Jump.
Ah.
Jump on the bed. How's the bed? Comfy?
It is very. Come, jump.
Beautiful. Hell no. Cool. From our bedroom, wake up, turn around, huge view. Oh, I mean, not bad, right? Not bad, not bad. Oh wow, that's a big bathroom. Let's see this. Oh, there's 2 bathrooms. Oh, which one do we explore first? Let's see.
Okay, this is the one with the shower. That's the one with the tub.
Okay, cool. Closet.
Ooh,
Nice shower. Nice toilet to make it the shit. Very nice. In the other bathroom, same thing, but we get a desk, I guess for makeup and stuff. A nice tub. All right.
Oh, I love that they have a bidet.
Yeah, so bidet to wipe your ass. Nice robes. Well, I will say one thing off camera. Worth it? I don't know. $1,000. Why? Don't feel bad. Nice little bar here. Let's see if they left us any gifts inside the minibar. Usually you have to pay for everything, of course, but maybe in the penthouse suites you don't have to. Yes, you do. If you come to Vegas, careful guys. Automatic minibar, fully computerized, which means if you take something out, there's like a sensor that automatically just bills your credit card just if it goes missing. So some people might come here and just be like, oh my god, look at all this stuff, and then they leave and they have a $700 bill. I really don't know if that's how it works, but very nice. All the alcohol you could ever want. Ah, Patron. Cool. Everything in Vegas is pretty expensive. Like these bottles of water, what are they, like 15 US dollars? Only in Vegas will you find in the hotel room sex toys for sale. So this is a love kit, and what is this? Male massager plus lubricant plus condoms. Let's see the female one. It's this love kit for females, and this is personal massager, lubricant, condoms. So vibrator, lube, and some condoms. And I guess some male vibrator? What the fuck is male massager? I don't know. Kettle potato chips. Oh no, oh no, I just removed it. I don't know if this has a sensor, but oh boy. Oh boy. Honestly guys, what do you think? Is this worth $1,000 a night? It's really nice, but is it worth $1,000 a night? Tough to say. I don't know. Baby, what are you doing? Sorry? What? You're making shit? It's not gonna be on camera. Or is it? Comfortable. Gets my seal of approval. And this is nice. You can lay here, pretend you're all posh, reading a book as you enjoy the view on the outside. I'm not gonna do any of that, obviously, but you can if you want to. Wow, look at this view, guys. We just got upgraded actually because we wanted a smoking room, so the only difference is just the view, and it is absolutely spectacular. We have this little light show going on that goes off every 15 minutes, and we got front row seats. We're just hanging out, and this is probably one of the best views in all of Vegas. Absolutely beautiful. I would turn off the lights probably to see more, but yeah. We just ordered some food in room dining. They're gonna bring it on like a little table, so we'll show you guys what we're eating in a second. But check out this show. This is spectacular. So the upgrade they gave us, this is the highest floor in this hotel, in the Bellagio. And we got very, very lucky.
Good evening.
Hello.
May I come in?
Yeah, of course. Come on
Thank
in.
you. I was trying to determine Mamari, where Mamari is from.
Mamari is Lebanese. It sounds Italian, right? Mamari, but
No,
it's...
no, no. How do you pronounce it in Lebanese?
معماري.
معماري.
تحكي عربي؟
طبعا أنا لبناني.
Oh, أنت لبناني كمان.
Yeah, جيراننا كانوا من بيت معماري.
That's
من
funny,
1970 from 1964 I was 6 years old.
Wow, yeah. No way.
Till 1974 حتى لما علقت الحرب.
You're kidding, wow.
You're as American as you.
I'm actually Canadian.
Okay.
But,
We're both from
Portuguese.
Canada, yeah.
Oh.
We're just here visiting first time in Las Vegas.
What part
yeah.
of Canada?
Near Toronto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Ontario, yeah.
I always say to my Canadian guests, "Oh, Canada."
Oh, Canada, of course, yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much. What's your name, sorry?
Hussein.
Hussein, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Michael, Kim, and this looks very, very nice. Yeah, we're excited for this. We're getting the whole
You
experience
have a lot of
here.
food, so.
Yeah, well, yes, we're very
Okay,
gluttonous.
chicken. You have
Beautiful.
the soup with the cheese, grilled cheese,
Beautiful.
filet.
You like working here?
I do. I've been working here since we opened, almost 24 years.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Has it changed much since you?
A little bit, not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah. So I just turned 63.
Oh wow. Happy
And-
birthday.
Thank you. And probably I have, hopefully, God willing,
Yeah.
if I'm still in good health, 7 more years.
Come on, no 7. Come on. I'm sure you can do a lot more than 7. You seem like a healthy guy.
No, there is a guy. He is everybody's inspiration. He's 84 years old and he's still working with us.
Wow. He didn't want to retire. Wow.
I know.
So he can retire. He just doesn't
Oh.
want to. He wants to work.
Of course, he can.
Wow.
The culinary sent him a letter. Congratulations, you are the oldest living member.
That's amazing. Wow.
Definitely an accomplishment.
I guess retirement is boring, right? What are you gonna do if you're retired?
He says, I got nothing to do.
Of course, yeah. What are you gonna do?
So
yeah.
if I retire, I might, not
Yeah,
make
yeah,
it.
yeah.
So I'm gonna be working till the end.
Work is good for the mind,
It is,
right?
it
It's
is. It keeps you active.
of course. If you're just sitting at home and that's withering away, right? So
All right, let's.
thank you very, very much. This
Cookies?
is beautiful. Of course, we got
Chicken noodle soup. We got the grilled chicken cheese sandwich with the tomato.
That's for her, yeah.
Voila.
Chicken, beautiful.
And the
The
filet.
steak. Thank you so much, man.
Brought you
Really
some bread
appreciate
and butter, Coke, and a Diet Coke.
it. Beautiful, and some ice. Amazing.
Las Vegas is brightened for your presence.
I appreciate this. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you, my friend. It was nice to
Enjoy.
meet
Have
you.
a great
Yes.
evening.
Yeah.
And
you
after
too.
you finish, you could put everything on the table and push it outside.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
شرفنا
Have
حبيبي.
yourself-
أهلا
yes,
وسهلا فيك.
أكيد,
يلا
of
تصبح
course.
على
Thank
خير.
you so much,
Thank
my
you.
friend. Have a good night. Yalla,
Thank
bye.
you.
Oh, this is lovely, isn't it?
This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Cool. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
That guy was fucking nice as hell. Look at this. We got this beautiful view, or beautiful food with this beautiful view. And let's dig in. What do we got? What did I order? So I got like a filet mignon. I guess you got some mashed potatoes, some asparagus. You got some chicken.
Yes. Chicken, glazed carrots, and fingerling potatoes.
Very, very nice. And
A natural
some
au jus.
soup and grilled cheese, tomato soup, some cookies, of course. And yeah, some drinks. Cool. Let's eat.